The next sweet which we are going to make now is the jamun, and this I'm going to make using semolina and not the usual maida and khoya. This is a very simple preparation and it just tastes delicious. Now first let's start with the sugar syrup. Take about 2 cups of water in a saucepan, add some saffron, few cardamoms crushed and about 2 cups of sugar. So just mix all these well and now let this boil till you get a nice sticky consistency. Now take about 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan, and once it's hot enough, add about half a cup of semolina and a pinch of salt. Now fry these for at least about 4 to 5 seconds and then add about 1 cup of warm milk. Now just keep stirring this continuously so that there's no lumps formed here. After about a minute, you'll see that the rava has absorbed all the milk and you'll get a nice dough-like consistency. Now let it rest for about 4 to 5 minutes, and once the temperature is warm enough to handle, just transfer it to a bowl and start kneading it. You have to knead this for at least about 2 to 3 minutes, so only then you'll get a nice soft dough without any cracks in it. Now we'll just start making the jamuns. You'll get approximately 7 to 8 jamuns here. So now all these are ready to be fried. Now once the oil is hot enough, just reduce the flame to medium and start frying the jamuns. Just fry them till you get a nice golden brown color, and also keep stirring them in between. And now once it's done, just transfer it to the sugar syrup. These jamuns had to be soaked in sugar syrup for at least about 8 to 10 hours. I prefer overnight though. Only then they become quite soft and taste delicious. You can have this either hot or cold as you like. So do try this for this Diwali and enjoy.